Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an empties. I completely forgot to keep filming my empties. I don't really know how that happened. So today we're calling this my January empties because that's about the time that it's going to go up. But there's definitely some products in here from December, maybe even a couple from November, and also this isn't the end of January for me. As you guys know, I've been pre-filming like a mad woman, so it's not really like accurate. We're gonna pretend it's gonna be some YouTube magic. We're gonna pretend that these are my like full month of January empties. I hope that's okay. We'll get back on track eventually. Towards the end of the year, maybe we'll be more on track. But you guys know I use this plastic bin. There's a ton of hair stuff in here, which for me is super surprising because I suck at going through hair products. So first I'm going to start off easy. This was a little sample from Way Hair Care. This is from their repair line, and I got 2 or 3 shampoo and conditions out of this sample. It was 7 mils, and I actually really liked this. It felt really nourishing on my hair. It wasn't weighing it down, so my hair looked really flat. I would consider purchasing maybe like a travel size if they ever had that available to test it out some more, but I did actually really like this. I also finished the shampoo and conditioner from OGX. This is the Gravity Defying and Hydration O2 line. I bought this in, I think it was January of last year when I first decided to go cruelty free, where I was naive enough to believe what was on the packaging. So this was a consumer error. OGX is not cruelty free, even though it says so on the back, and it was in a display that was like, oh, never tested on animals, blah blah blah. It's a lie. So not only have I never enjoyed an OGX shampoo and conditioner, I think these were on like mega sale, so I bought them thinking that they were cruelty free and save a couple of dollars. I have never liked any of their products. They are not good for my hair. My hair never looks great. The shampoo was great for like gravity defying whatever when you have fine hair like I do, but the conditioner left my hair feeling like straw. So I wouldn't recommend these even if they were actually cruelty free, but they're not. Another shampoo, this is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Oil and Ylang Ylang. Yet again, I bought this towards the beginning of my journey to cruelty free, and I thought that this was cruelty free. It says ethically sourced, vegan, plant-based cleansers, never tested on animals. Like, there's so much good on the label, but it turns out Love Beauty and Planet is one of those gray area brands that I would rather not support. So this was really disappointing because I've actually liked quite a few of their products. So until they are approved by somebody, if they ever are, I will not be repurchasing this, but I did like it, so that's unfortunate. Another gray area brand, this is Body Care. This is from Method Body, their Simply Nourished body wash, the coconut one. So this does say cruelty free, tested by people, never on animals on the back. And Method is certified cruelty free by Leaping Bunny, but they are on the brands to avoid list from Logical Harmony. So I'm really conflicted because those are probably my top 2 sources for cruelty-free information. I also frequently check cruelty-free kitty as well as ethical elephant. It's really hard to distinguish like who's right and who's wrong. So I put this as non-cruelty free in my Empties, like my spreadsheet situation. But I continue to purchase Method cleaning products because they're easily accessible to me. And I mean, I consider them better than Lysol or something. But I'm really conflicted. What do you guys think? Do you think Method is cruelty-free or not cruelty-free? And how do you determine who is right? Like, Leaping Bunny is one of the top resources as well, very trusted. It's not like I'm looking at PETA or anything like that. And Logical Harmony is, of course, you know, very trustworthy as well. And I don't think it's down to like, oh, somebody's lying. It's just, I don't understand what the difference is of why Logical Harmony would say no and Leaping Bunny would say yes. I hope that makes sense. I used up the Dove Go Fresh body mist in Cool Essentials Cucumber and Green Tea scent. This was Admission 100% cruelty free, and I was able to finish this off. Dove is another one of those brands that's tricky, like OGX. Dove is not cruelty free, even though they made a big stink at the beginning of 2019 that they are now cruelty free. Yay. No, they're using the oh, well, we've just asked the Chinese government to not test our products. They can test everyone else's, but, you know, we're buddies. So, no, the Chinese government does not have to give Dove, the brand, special treatment. They're sold in China. They're not cruelty-free. EOS hand cream. This is a blue one, completely empty. Another non-cruelty-free product out. So far, the only for sure cruelty-free items I've shared with you are the Way hair care samples. So I was feeling really good about working through a lot of this non-cruelty-free stuff in my house, and it's going to leave and be recycled and never enter it again. This is Marc Jacobs Mod Noir fragrance sample. Marc Jacobs Beauty is cruelty-free, but Marc Jacobs fragrances are not. Regardless, this isn't something I would repurchase. It smells really good, but it's not really memorable. It doesn't like trigger any kind of memories for me. It's not my favorite type of scent, so I wouldn't repurchase that even if it was cruelty-free. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I used all of this up. I really love this cleansing balm, and I would definitely repurchase this. Pharmacy is cruelty free. This is the 50 ml jar that I got in a BoxyCharm, and yeah, this is a really great product. It removes makeup really well, and I like the like herbally type of scent. So yes, this is something I really enjoyed. It removed my makeup really well. I like the scent. It's cruelty free. I've been really into Pharmacy skincare, and right now I'm trying out a couple other products that are similar to this, but someday I will repurchase this. And then two more makeup-y type items. One is a sponge. This is the Eco Tools sponge, and this isn't my favorite. It's quite dense compared to a lot of the other sponges I really enjoy. Eco Tools is cruelty free, so that was nice, but I would prefer to buy my Real Techniques sponge over this one again, and it was just starting to tear, look a little rough here, so it was time for it to go. As soon as your sponge starts like tearing, it's time to throw it away because bacteria can like get in there. It's really gross. And one actual makeup product. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles in the Brightener shade, which is the pink toned color corrector one. This is my very first makeup empty for 2020, and I'm excited to be off to a strong start so far. This puts $12.99 in my beauty bank for my Makeup Rehab Low Buy. And it feels really good to get yet another non-cruelty-free product out of my collection. So the only cruelty-free products I used up were the Way Hair Care, the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, My makeup sponge is cruelty free. And then the Method body is a gray area that I'm unsure. I have it as non-cruelty free though, but that one is kind of like, But everything else was not cruelty free, and I feel so good about using that up and getting it out. And I look forward to continue making great progress in my beauty collection. So that includes, hair care, skincare, all of that. And I've learned so much since a year ago when I was still making silly mistakes like buying OGX or Love Beauty and Planet, and I've since learned so much, and those companies will no longer be receiving my coins. Let me know in the comments below, what is the product that you used up most recently? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!